To solve these absolute value equations, we use the fact that when we have absolute value of, let's say, some expression y equals a, that means either y is a or y is negative a. Okay, let's use this fact here. In place of y we have now 2x minus 3. It's like y, so absolute y equals a. Then using this fact we get either y equals 4, that means 2x minus 3 equals 4, or 2x minus 3 equals negative 4. Okay, let's solve these linear equations. For that, the negative 3 move 3 to, that means add 3 to the both sides. Same thing over here. Then we have now 2x equals 4 plus 3 is 7. 2x equals negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Now this is 2 times x. Now divide by 2. We get x equals 7 halves, or x equals negative 1 half. Thus x equals 7 halves comma negative 1 half. Okay, let's move to part B. Same thing, whenever we have absolute value of something equals a number, then this is either 19 or this is negative 19, either 19 or negative 19. Okay, this implies 4 minus 2x equals 19 or 4 minus 2x equals negative 19. Now let's solve these linear equations for x. For that, let's move 4 to the other side, subtract 4 from both sides. Same thing here. Then we have negative 2x equals 19 minus 4 15, or negative 2x equals negative 19 negative 4, both negative, so we need to add negative 23. And eventually we divide by negative 2 because this is negative 2 times x. Same thing here. So divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. We get negative 2 cancel. So x equals this negative on the bottom, bring that to the front, 15 halves, 7 and half, or negative 2 cancel. X equals negative cancel, so 23 over 2, 11 and half. Thus x equals a negative 15 halves and 23 halves are the solutions. Let's do the last question. Here we need to simplify before we use the fact of absolute value, or before we get inside the absolute value we need to work outside. So plus 9, move this over, subtract 9 from both sides, we get 2 times absolute 3x minus 4 equals 7 minus 9 negative 2. Now 2 times, so we need to divide by 2. Divide by 2 both sides. Divide by 2, we get 3x minus 4 divided by 2, so negative 1. Okay, now we have the situation of absolute value of something equals negative 1. That is never true. Okay, absolute value of anything is always a 0 or positive. Okay, this cannot be negative. So from this we say no solution. Do not use the fact I wrote earlier, because the absolute value of any number is always non-negative.